Hi, long time no see. I know that. I've been truly busy. We've been changing all our enclosures. There are lots of hatches and the shows and other things, so not got round to making many YouTube videos, which I need to get back onto. Today I thought I'd do this because I keep being asked the age-old question is, how do you pack and post an adult mantis? Well, I do it a certain way. Others do it differently. It's up to you. But this is how I do it. Cricket box. Everybody's seen a cricket box. If you keep reptiles or inverts, you've definitely seen a cricket box or a locust box or whatever, or roaches. I use one of those, a piece of kitchen towel, a bit of organza mesh. This used to be on a 32-ounce pot. You can probably see there's a circle in it. I use sticky pads, but you can use a bit of hot glue or anything. First things first, I wash this. Give it a good, nice clean, because crickets and stuff, it's going to stink when the customer gets it, and the last thing they want is opening their new adult mantis and getting this really horrible, stinky thing. The best thing about cricket boxes, they've already got loads and loads of air holes in them, so you don't have to worry about the mantis being able to breathe. Now, first thing I do is give that a bit of a spray. Now I'm going to fold this in half, long ways, and I'm going to lay it in the bottom, like so. Now, as it happens, sometimes, if you're not very good at folding, you might need to put a sticky pad in each corner, or a bit of glue, or whatever, to keep the pad in place, but this will be okay. And then I give it one more little spray. Now, come here, mate. You're my model, pal. You're my model. You might not like this. I'm going to pop adult mantis in, and over the top of him, I'm going to put a bit of organza. He wants to play out. Come on, in there. Really doesn't want to go in. Come on, dude. On the mesh. In there. The reason for this is because he wants to go up. We make sure we don't catch his little feet. And in this case, there he is. He's in there. He can hang upside down on this mesh that we have under here. And it doesn't matter if the postman does this, he can still hang on here, which he's not doing. He's actually crawling across the floor there. But yes, that is how we send an adult mantis. Now, you can send them like that. I'm going to get him out of here because he doesn't live in an enclosure, so he's not happy about being in here. Hey mate, you're not happy at all, eh? No. Go on then, on there. The other way you can do it is in a 32-ounce pot, which is simply one of those, bit of mesh on top. I suggest you glue some mesh on the inside around the walls, because the post, you know, the way it is, they can just chuck it wherever they want. I'll go back on there, pal. Well, let go. So, I'm not going to do it with this one because I've got a mantis in it. But yeah, bit of mesh down the sides, away you go. Job done. Just be very careful when you're packing them, they're very delicate, they're squishy. These not so much, these are pretty sturdy. Decent sort of thing to hold them in. But they're quite squishy, which means the top can pop off, which means the mantis will be loose, which means also the box can get squashed. So make sure when you put it in the box, put some cardboard, cut some pieces of cardboard, put them out and double line the box. It's also good for keeping the heat in if it's particularly cold, and you get a decent sturdier box that you can put your mantis in, and it's not going to get squished And away you go. And that's it. That's how you pack an adult mantis. I did consider doing one on packing isopods as well, because that's another thing I do get asked about. How do you pack isopods? Or how do you pack this? How do you pack that? Well, if you're interested, let me know, and I'll do a quick video on how I pack certain things. And there's lots of them, believe me. Thanks for watching. See you next time.